Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about this small size pocket camera, Pocket 3. Today we are going to talk about the new firmware update, what DJI has given us. What are the new update, what they have given in this new firmware update. So the firmware update is V01.06.08.04. A powerful new zoom mode, one zoom mode, smooth focus transition, and pro level color upgrade. Now let's walk through how to update your Osmo Pocket to the latest firmware. It's super easy. I'll guide you step by step. First, power on your Osmo Pocket 3 and connect it to your smartphone using the DJI Memo app. Make sure your phone has a stable Wi-Fi connection and your Pocket has enough battery. Once connected, open the app and go to device. Go to device setting and look for the firmware update option. If the update is available, you will see the prompt to download there. Tap download and wait for the update to complete. Make sure your Osmo Pocket and your phone is enough charge. Now it's installing the new firmware. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. It's going on. Okay. Now restart your device. After the update installed, now you restart your Osmo Pocket. There you go. Now your Osmo Pocket is running a latest firmware version, ready to deliver even more powerful and even more better performance than before. Now you have updated the new firmware. Let's put this new feature to the test. So let's go out and test together.
To activate lossless zoom, you need to tap on the small square. Once it is on, the color will change to yellow. This is normal mode 4K, 24 FPS, no zoom. Let's compare it to previous zoom, that is 2x. Now it's in 2x zoom. This is the new lossless zoom, 40mm equivalent. I think this is more clean and can be used. But at this angle it is hard to tell, so let's crop in and see. Here the difference is huge. Look at the texture of the wall in previous 2x zoom. The texture is smooth and the words in red all blurred, whereas in new lossless zoom it is much better and clean. It is usable. Let's compare 4K 24 FPS without zoom, normal mode, with new lossless zoom. Can you see any difference? I think lossless zoom keep the detail and preserve the quality very well, which is very handy. It's like having two lens 20mm and 40mm. But one downside, this isn't available in D-Log or HLG mode. If you shot in D-Log or HLG, then lossless zoom won't be available, but you still have 10-bit. But once you switch to normal picture profile, you will see the small square in the bottom of the screen. That is the symbol of lossless zoom. If you tap, it will zoom and maintain the quality. Keep in mind, once you press the record, lossless zoom will be deactive. Before you record, you have to choose whether to use or not. While recording, this function will be off. And one more thing. When you are in lossless zoom mode, active track will be deactive, so you cannot use active track in Med-Tele lens mode. Breathing compensation. You might notice the screen zoom in and out as it adjusts focus. Focus breathing is still there, but improved.
And the final one is D-Log mode for a webcam. So this is not only a pocket camera, you can use as a webcam also. Connect the USB and in one side where you charge and put it one in your computer. So your computer will give you a prompt whether to charge your DJI or use as a webcam. So if you click use as a webcam, then your DJI will be your webcam, and you can color grade. You can put the LUTs by yourself so that you can get more dynamic range and more professional looks. Also, you have to update your Memo app You have got some new update in your Memo also, Memo app. Now you can download the file in a background. The download will not stop. This is one new feature, and additionally the app has introduced the ability to take a video screenshot and save them as a photo or live photo. If you haven't hit that like button, hit it, and please subscribe it. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating and capturing those amazing moments. Bye.